Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourself or DIYers. Do you want your discs to look like this, or would you like to keep them looking like this? Now, if your discs already look like this, then you've got to clean them all up. If you're starting with new discs, like we are with this one right here, I'm going to show you how to make them look beautiful, because there's really nothing worse looking when you have really cool rims on your vehicle and you look and see these rusted looking hunks of junk sitting on the inside, and show you how to make them look beautiful. Do the back the same way, and you do the inside here the same way. But we're going to use a paint that is rated at around 1,000 degrees, so it'll handle anything you want. And you can do your brake calipers the same way that I show you here. So first off, we're going to do a cleaning with 50% 99% rubbing alcohol and 50% lacquer thinner. This is what works for us, and as you know, our videos are very product and method specific. If there are other ways to do it, we'll do a video on it. But usually you have to use what we share with you in order to make it work. Hey Julio, drop that over there and tell them where they can get all this stuff.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. All right, guys and gals, it's finished. Hopefully we gave you enough information, but if you put new rotors on your vehicle, it only takes minutes to do this, and they'll look beautiful for a very long time. Dries pretty quick. We'll flip it over here. And like I said, they have multiple colors, but it looks gorgeous.